My name is Eric Erb. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Orthopedic Specialist in Sports Medicine, and I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgery. I'm from Worthington, Ohio. I grew up in the Worthington area. I went to high school at Thomas Worthington, and then college up in Cleveland at Case Western for undergraduate. Then I went to Dayton, where I did medical school and residency at Wright State University, and I finished up my training in a fellowship in hip and knee replacement surgery in Jackson, Mississippi at Mississippi Sports Medicine and Orthopedic Center. So I did a fellowship in adult reconstruction, which means I do hip and knee replacement surgeries. For my knee replacement surgeries, I like to do partial and total knee replacements. Partial knee replacements for people that only have arthritis in certain aspects of the joint, and then total knee replacements for when the entire joint is diseased. For my total knee replacements, I like to use a robotic system. It allows me to be more precise during surgery, and it tailors a specific surgical plan that is individualized to each patient's anatomy. I became a doctor because I liked helping people. So I grew up playing sports a lot as a kid. So I was an athlete up through college, and then in college, I did a minor in sports medicine. I kind of got to see what it was like from the other side of the patient-provider relationship, and that's kind of was the impetus for getting me into medical school and go on from there. The thing I like best about being the doctor is being able to help my patients. And so seeing the improvement in their quality of life from us being able to provide something for them is really rewarding for me. I like to tailor my treatment philosophy to be individualized to each patient's needs and goals. People live different lifestyles, and so I like to treat patients based on what's best for them. My goal as an orthopedic surgeon is to improve the community by improving the lives of my patients and doing what's best for the people that come and see me.